Oh, I gotta use my mic.
Hi guys, let me do your
Hi
intro.
guys.
Welcome back to my channel.
I'm gonna finish my eyebrows off camera because I know it's gonna take forever. Alright, back. My eyebrows are... I probably need to get them done properly instead of plucking it myself. This shit is one ride or die product that I can't stop buying. Love, love, love. Love this. Right, so I got a new mic. I think I sound so much better with the new equipment. Also, like there's like a shadow right here. It's whatever, man. Every single time I get something else goes wrong, and I just feel like somebody is working on me. I'm not even gonna hold you. So I've like doubled down on prayers. This is the BECCA. The words are gone, but it's from BECCA Champagne Pop, the liquid highlighter. I'm just basically putting it on there so I can shine from within. Wow, this foundation looks orange now. I just hope it's because of the red. Let me tell you, let me just zoom in on this right here. Screenshot this screen. This will save your entire life. So I spray that on before and after because it is so fucking good. If I had the Farsali Skin Tune Blur, those combination is amazing. Keep that in mind if you have a little extra money in your pocket. You're going into Sephora, get that.
Check it out.
I'm the HBIC. Can't come for me. I'm the HBIC. Can't talk to me. I'm the HBIC. Can't walk with me. I'm the HBIC.
Surprise, I have red hair as well. Most of the people that know me know that I like bleaching my eyebrows and just coloring it whatever color I color my hair. So, and there is not a video of this hair on my channel because I don't know if you guys want to see me dye my hair all the time. Do you guys want to see that? Just comment if you want me to get back to dyeing my hair on camera. I just think it's like so regular and like I do the exact same things every time. Maybe maybe I'm much more careful now about how I bleach my hair, because I don't necessarily bleach my hair for I never used to bleach all the strands every time I bleach my hair, but recently I've been parting my hair. You know how you're supposed to do it? You shouldn't be any ear quotes because that's literally how you're supposed to do your hair, but still, that's not what I used to do. But that's what I've been doing now, and I kind of like it. And I love how this foundation, how this concealer just blends in to the foundation. Like, this is beautiful. Just take your butt of the beauty blender, you just get the edges real quick that you already blended, but double check, baby, double check. I'm not gonna hold you. This Fenty concealer is creasing. It's very... it's prone to creasing. That's what I'm gonna say. Just wanna get in there properly. Blend your life away. Real quick. For the 1s and 2s. And there we go. Blend. I'm supposed to be leaving at 10:30 and it is now 10 o'clock. I don't think I can do it. I can do it. Nah, I'm not gonna leave, but I wanna be somewhat finished with my face.
It's not happening. Bitch, you're late. 10 10s across the board. 10 10s across the board. You would have thought. 10 10s across the board. 10 10s across the board. Shorty got bad habits. I like high fashion. Shorty got bad habits. I like fly fabric. Shorty got bad habits. I like high fashion. Shorty got bad habits.
Usually what I do is put... listen, when you're setting your face, less is more. Always. Especially with these powders, and I have super dry skin, and I have eczema on my face, just a tad, just around my mouth area, so I kind of don't like putting a lot of powder there or anywhere on my face, because I'm one of those dry babies out there in these streets. But the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, oh my god, look at this flawless finish. I know you see it. Oh, you're actually as close as you can get, but I'm gonna bring myself in just a bit more so you can see. So beautiful, so fucking beautiful. And now it's time to contour. Listen, I don't really use that many new products. Mostly, I'll try a new foundation. But most of the routine is basically the same. Once it works for me, baby. Why do I need to change it? If it's working. I haven't found anything that's gonna give me... Let me just hurry up and get out of here. I actually have to travel all the way to Brooklyn right now. Mad fucking late again. I did this the last time when I thought I would have gotten... It's a whole nother story. Do you see that though? And I know like it's dark right there. I don't know. This brush just be doing too much sometimes, but because it's so fucking flawless, I don't even bother. What exactly do I need to say? I don't need to say nothing. This shit is fucking fire. Black Radiance knew the fuck. This shit makes me curse so much because it's so fucking good. That's how much I love this shit. I was trying not to curse again. But yeah, this shit is flames. My sister cooked food. I'm definitely taking some of that to Brooklyn before my party. I'm going to Brooklyn to party. I'm guessing I should have said that, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Getting ready, and the people that I'm going out with haven't seen my hair yet. You guys haven't seen my hair yet. I put on a lot of contour because my face is already like, I just like to cut it, okay? I like that look. I'm actually talking in my videos. Oh, did I tell you guys I got a new bike? Because I got a new bike. That's kind of why I'm excited right now. I'm going to use LA Girl Toffee for my eye shade. For my eye primer. I used to actually highlight with this color. And then FENTY came along and was like, bitch, you're doing it wrong. I then go over my full face with the same sculpting powder from Black Radiance. Obviously, we gotta give them orange because that's what's gonna look good with the rest of the face and my hair and everything. Put way too much on this side, but honestly, let me just blend it out properly. And once the highlighter goes on top of this, ooh, baby, we business, shorty. I'm gonna put on highlighter before and after I spray my face with my setting spray. I'm taking the same highlighter that I took earlier from BECCA, but this time in the powder form. This is the Champagne Pop.
I'm the HBIC. You just can't fuck with me. RIP if you come for me. Shut it down, can't walk.
Let's spray our face and then put the lashes on.
Shut it down, can't walk with me. I like high fashion. These chicks is not happening. Tell them both smoke like a bad habit. I got bad habits.
Oh, you haters hold my nuts and suck my dignity.
Sheesh!
Yeah, I see. Can't come for me. I'm the HBIC. Can't talk to me. I'm the HBIC. Can't walk with me.
Okay, we're done and it's 10:36, so I'm gonna get ready to get out of here. Don't think I'm gonna be taking y'all with me, but you will see a picture of the look on my Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram right here because I can. But good night though, guys. Bye.